Hello friends, what kills the engine in the summer? First of all, the operation of the motor is negatively affected by overheating, which occurs due to contamination of the cooling radiator, malfunction of the thermostat, or fans that blows the engine. In summer, as a rule, oil consumption also increases. This happens because with poor circulation of the coolant, overheating sometimes occurs in the same place. In this regard, it's oil that will play the role of antifreeze, but in case of perform its function. This can result in engine wear, detrimental effect on engine and dust cloud, particles of which settle in the air filter. As a result, it becomes clogged, which leads to a decrease in throughput. And if it's not replaced, fuel consumption will increase significantly. In addition, there may be problems with combustion. That's all guys.